Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at addition, subtraction, and multiplication of complex numbers. We have one addition problem, one subtraction, and two multiply problems. For addition and subtraction, it's really combining like terms. So let's look at 1a. We have 1 minus 5i in parentheses. Really doesn't need to be in parentheses, so 1 minus 5i is, like I said, doesn't need to be there. But we are adding negative 3, so that means we're subtracting 3, and we're adding a positive 7i, which means we're adding 7i. Well, I'm just combining like terms. Real numbers, the 1 and the negative 3, I'm going to group together. 1 minus 3. My complex numbers, negative 5i and plus 7i, I'm going to group those together. Negative 5i plus 7i. And now I'm just combining my like terms. These two terms I can combine. These two terms I can combine. And I acts like a variable. But remember, I is the square root of negative 1. It's part of the complex number system. In any case, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Minus 5i plus 7i is plus 2i. And that's the answer for 1a. So this is A. For B, we have some fractions here. Same thing. I have these two fractions, and they don't really need to be in the parentheses because there's no number on the outside. So I'm going to put the negative 1 with the numerator, negative 1/4 plus 3/5 times I. Now I'm subtracting every term in here. So I'm subtracting a 1/2, so minus 1/2. And I'm also subtracting a minus 1/10 I, which means I'm adding 1/10 I mathematically. Same thing, I want to combine my like terms. So negative 1/4 plus, I should say minus, because I'm subtracting the 1/2, so minus 1/2. Now I can plus the 3/5 I, and then I can add the 1/10 I. And I do want to combine my like terms. They're fractions, so I need a common denominator. The common denominator for my real numbers is 4, so this minus 1/4 is going to stay there, and I'm going to subtract the equivalent fraction 2/4. 2 times 2 gives me 4, 1 times 2 gives me 2. And then for the LCD for these two like terms, it's 10, so multiply the 3/5 by 2, the ratio of 2 over 2, and I get 6 over 10i, and the 1 over 10i stays the same. So now I'm combining my like terms. Negative 3/4 plus 7/10 I. And that's the answer for 1B.